PAK Austria Fachhaschule, in collaboration with DICE Analytics, organized two-day workshop on Microsoft Power BI for students interested in data analytics. Mr. Ahmed Shoaib was leading the training session, who is expert in Power BI analytics. The workshop was online, in which more than 100 participants joined from diverse locations and various fields including businesses, institutions, and manufacturers. A basic information about analytics, installation of Microsoft Power BI and its basic components has been delivered in details. Power Query Editor was explained in greater details with practical examples and hands-on practices with provided datasets in CSV format. On the second day, more advanced options were explained, including Power Query, DAX, formulas, and dashboard creation. At the end of workshop, an online exam was given to test participants' knowledge. The training session was really fruitful for beginners and students who wish to adopt data analytics field in future.